Welcome back, blockchain enthusiasts. If you're joining us for the first time, don't worry, you're in for an exciting ride. And if you've delved into the first part of the blockchain learning video already, congratulations on taking the step forward. Get ready for more insights as we continue our journey into the fascinating world of blockchain. Before we start, let's quickly recap what we covered so far. In the first part, we learned about some basic terms in blockchain technology. In this second part, we'll dive into some more terms related to blockchain. So let's jump right in. Let's kick off with proof of work. This term represents a method for reaching an agreement or consensus on a blockchain network. Imagine miners and computers solving complex puzzles to validate transactions and secure the network. It's like a digital safeguard keeping everything in check. Next up, we have DeFi or decentralized finance. Think of it as a democratic system for financial services. DeFi offers financial services built on top of blockchain network, making them easily accessible to everyone without any intermediary. Now let's dive into DAO, or decentralized autonomous organization. DAOs are a community-run organization where decisions are voted upon and executed by smart contracts on the blockchain, without a central authority. It's true democracy in action, empowering communities to govern themselves in a decentralized way. Moving forward, let's talk about RWA, or real-world assets. These are tangible assets like real estate or commodities represented digitally on a blockchain. RWA opens up exciting opportunities in fractional ownership, trading, and tokenization. DEPIN, or decentralized physical infrastructure network, is next. Imagine a global network of physical systems like power grids and roads, managed by people in a decentralized way using blockchain. It's all about fairness, transparency, where everyone has a voice. Lastly, there's ipfs, or interplanetary file system. ipfs enables decentralized data storage and sharing, using content addressing for enhanced security. Say goodbye to traditional data storage, and hello to decentralized data sharing. There you have it. You've just learned 6 new blockchain terms today. Keep learning, and remember to like and subscribe our channel.